Move that ball joint on the bottom side. Look, guys, that's what's holding my brake assembly. It's so bad.
It's like a station now. First, second, third, fourth, fifth gear.
I'm working.
All right, everybody, beautiful day here in Cali. It's hot as hell, but we're still out here wrenching. It's the 4th, and what a better day to put on some control arms on your Cutlass. So, due to my ball joints being so worn out that I'm scared of going on the freeway, I've saved up some money and bought very, very cheap. That makes you think about a lot of things I do. Very cheap control arms. You can find this on eBay, or you can find them on, I bought them on Amazon, but they're about the same price as the ones on eBay. Actually a little bit cheaper. But I guess they're like cheap brand tubular control arms. These were about under $300, $275, something like that. I can't remember. I'll put a link for them on Amazon if I can find it. But yeah, guys, it was about price for everything you see here. So these lower and upper control arms, they're supposed to be the same as the stock ones, but they're just tubular. The design's a little bit different, but the ride height should be about the same. Also, I went with our sponsors at O'Reilly's and got a spring compressor because we're gonna need that for the front. So now, ideally, if you're gonna do this on the old A-body frame, a lot of them came with drum brakes all the way. So people say if you're gonna do the control arms, might as well do the drum, swap it to disc rather than running your drums. I looked it up. It sounds like we can run the drum brakes with these, which is what we want to do for right now, because I can't spend too much money right now building the 454, and I'm not gonna have money to do brakes right now. Maybe later, but I mean, classic old school guys always ran drum brakes and big blocks, so that might be the way to go. But if I have enough money, we'll do the disc brake swap. And we're gonna set up the car on jack stands, lift it up, wheels are gonna come off, we're gonna compress the springs, and then from there we're gonna start removing control arms. All right, guys, so you guys saw us earlier at the other spot, and we realized it was boiling hot. It's like 85, so there's a little bit of shade here. Trying to get this side done before it gets hotter. But we just want to go through it, so that way when we're explaining you guys how to do it, we kind of know the way around it, and we're not wasting time and so on. So far, we tried using a spring compressor. Either I got the wrong part, or they gave me the wrong part, but the bottom part doesn't fit into the coil hole. I mean, sorry, the control arm hole, so I can compress the coil. So what we're gonna do, you can show them already. Now, this is super sketchy, and by no means you want to ever do this at home. We're just doing it because that's all we got right now. We're just gonna get it done. So we tied a rope, as you can see, very badly tied to the chassis. So we're gonna, on both the control arms, remove the spindle that holds the drum assembly, and slowly decompress the arm into that coil, pops out, and then we're able to remove the control arm. Again, super sketchy, but we're gonna do it on this side. Once we get through this side finish, we'll show you guys how to do it on the other side, how to complete the whole removal and so on. So just wish us luck. All right, guys, spring is out. It worked out. It kind of popped out. You guys should have seen that, but luckily we timed it to the frame so it didn't pop into somebody's face.
I don't think this one is coming out.
Move that ball joint on the bottom side. Look, guys, that's what's holding my brake assembly. It's so bad.
It's like a station now. First, second, third, fourth, fifth gear. We try different ways. We got a
Pickle fork.
a pickle fork.
Putting it in there and
Take it out.
It goes all the way in, so it's not pressing.
And then we had one more different than this one. So we went to the store and got another one. So now I'm gonna try with a torch. It's not a powerful torch, but
Yeah.
hopefully it does a job. And
This is keeping in mind that we have beat the shit out of that
yeah, you can tell.
ball joint there, and it's not doing anything. So what we're gonna do is want to heat up the ball joint from right here for a while, for like 5 minutes or something, and then we're gonna beat the shit out of it, and it should pop out. Just don't touch it. It might smoke a little bit. You got a fire extinguisher, so we're good.
You should have that ready.
Get closer, Sergio. Just hit the metal right there. Yeah, let me get the fire extinguisher.
Yeah, for sure.
It's gonna take a while before it gets hot, dude. So just keep it on there. Keep it steady. You got a fire extinguisher.
You got fire.
No? Nah. Use the pickle fork, güey. Dale unos guamazos a la verga. Si no, dale el putazo ahí a la mera espíndula, la verga, la dijo.
Okay.
Si no, heat up that part right there, güey.
Okay.
Yeah. Heat them both, güey. It's gonna take a while, so it's a fast piece of metal.
I know. And I'll give you $100 if you put your chicken there. I'll give you $100 if you put your chicken there.
Put your tongue on there, right?
Yeah. Alright, so this is what's up. No, huh? Nothing, dude.
Puta madre.
It's the same, dude.
Hit the other side. I was gonna break like that one.
I know.
Yeah, we're all fucked.
There you go. I was like, there's a fire. Fire, fire.
Fire.
I could just hit the side.
Fire coming in and shit.
Sí, güey, ahí mero donde conecta, güey, para que se tumbe esa mierda, güey. Fire.
Fire. Oh fuck. This channel just gets more interesting throughout the time.
Start hitting it, güey.
It's hot as fuck though.
Yeah, that's the way that shit goes in, güey. It soaks in, güey.
What channel is that?
Like, aguas con los brakes, cabrón.
Ahí tengo break for
Dale taps con el mallet, para que se le pase on the side, güey, I was saying, para que le entre.
Oh. Ah, perro. There's no way the bitch is coming out, dude.
Looks like we're gonna have to remove it, güey.
I didn't want to do that.
So we spent like something like, what was it, like 2 hours trying to break
2
it?
hours.
It's been more than that. It's been like 4 hours
I
already.
mean, I know everybody has their way to do things, and you know everybody says do this and that, but guys, we were up here beating the shit out of that ball joint. It didn't pop out, so I checked my toolbox and I had one of these. I think we used it to like press out the pitman arm, put it on there, start spinning it, popped out in like a second or something. So it just proves that you gotta have the right tools, or just be creative. I feel like we kind of knew this, but we just kept trying to beat the shit out of it. Yeah, but anyways, it's out. We're gonna try to cannonball, remove this shit. After this, things should go smooth. Other than that, we'll finish this side, then we'll record all the rest of the other side, and then you guys can see the whole process. But for right now, wish us luck again. And I know it's 4th of July, so you guys are probably having a beer right now. We're out here retching.
Drink one for us.
Yeah, drink one for us. Maybe we'll earn a beer after this, but we'll see. All right, guys. So did it again. Put my friends through hell. So parts that I bought didn't work with the existing equipment on the car. So as you guys heard me earlier, I said that I got control arms that will fit drum brakes. Turns out they don't fit. Turns out it doesn't clear the back part of the plate behind the drum brake assembly. It doesn't clear this, so the bottom of a new ball joint with the control arm, it hits here and it doesn't allow it to sit all the way in there. The new control arm is over there. We put it in there, removed the top one. We were very inspired after battling ball joints for like 3 hours. And then it didn't work. So we're pulling all the new parts and putting in all the old parts. Our 5-speed shifter back on there with all the I'm gonna be driving this thing on the street for like at least 1 or 2 more months like this, just because we didn't have the right parts. So now we know that if we're gonna do this job, we have to have disc brakes available. Best way to spend 4th of July, everybody. Best way to spend 4th of July. Well, that's gonna be a wrap for today. You guys probably won't be seeing this until we do the disc brake kit. But that's it. Everybody, have a great time.
Peace out.
Peace out, and that's gonna be it.